Hello my friend. So here is the cylinder to control the filling nose up and down. So you can see the tube, the black tube and the blue tube. And we will send this to you, and here is the vibration. We already installed it on this filling nose. When you receive it, it will be like this. First, you need to you need to unplug this one from here, okay? Then you plug this one to there, and now this one to plug here. After that, you install the filling nose back, okay? So this one will working with the filling nose up and down. When the filling nose go down, it will working, it will shaking.